Celestia is an innovative cryptocurrency that claims to be the first blockchain network in the world to support availability. It introduced its mainnet on October 31st, introducing TIA tokens with a market value of more than $300 million. Celestia, notwithstanding this initial support, has been exhibiting a bearish trend and could extend the loss in the coming days. The decrease in value could come from airdrops, from which specific beneficiaries, most notably Sybil organizations, are reselling Celestia tokens on well-known exchanges. As a result, a favorable bullish sentiment is encountering difficulties due to the selling pressure. A Sybil group is an assemblage of malevolent actors who fabricate numerous identities to seize control of a specific network. 51,494 addresses were suspected to have been associated with a Sybil group that received 17.05 million TIA in the case of Celestia. A profitable Sybil group, which operated 300 airdrop addresses, received 77,391 TIA, which was subsequently consolidated into a single address and sent to OKX, according to research. Unexpectedly, each of the 300 addresses obtained 258 TIA, indicating that Celestia was oblivious to their connection and the possibility that a single entity was responsible for their operation. Is it wise to invest in Celestia's TIA token? Celestia positions itself as the first data availability network in the world, addressing the significance and issue of data availability. The assurance that any network participant may access transaction data at any given moment to validate a block is referred to as data availability. As an additional layer of security, this feature permits any individual to scrutinize the blockchain ledger and authenticate transactions. To verify blocks independently, nodes are required to obtain the complete transaction data. This presents the primary obstacle. As the volume of blockchain data increases, this becomes progressively unfeasible for ordinary users. Celestia addresses this issue by ensuring that all transaction data is readily available for verification by network participants, eliminating the necessity for them to download and retain the data personally. Light nodes conduct multiple rounds of random sampling in DAS, with each round bolstering confidence in data availability. Upon attaining a pre-established level of confidence, the light node proceeds to accept the block data that is accessible. L2 rollups require data availability solutions such as Celestia for settlement purposes. These rollups publish summaries or proofs of transactions to an L1 layer such as Ethereum. When data is unavailable, rollup operators may engage in unethical behavior. In the H4 timeframe of TIA USDT, the market sentiment is corrective, from where a breakout is needed before forming a stable trend. Since the listing, an immediate selling pressure was seen with the 36% loss at the 1.9047 bottom. Later on, the price went sideways within a symmetrical triangle formation, which is a sign of indecision. In the relative strength index, the recent level moved above the 50 line, increasing the possibility of reaching the 70 overbought situation. Based on the yearly Celestia, TIA, price forecast, an upward pressure with a valid daily candle above the 3.007 level could be a long-term bullish possibility. On the bullish side, an extensive bullish possibility is potent, where the near-term target is the 3.690 level, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension from the current all-time high and low. If the price consolidates above the 3.000 psychological level, the buying pressure might extend towards the 4.79 Fibonacci extension level. In the H1 timeframe, the overall market momentum is corrective, as there is no significant high or low formation after the listing. However, an immediate bearish pressure is seen after the inception, which might need additional time to grab buyers' attention. In the main chart, the dynamic 20 EMA hovers at the dynamic VWAP level, while both lines are below the current price with an upward slope. Therefore, as long as the price trades above the VWAP support, we may expect the upside pressure to extend in the coming hours. The bullish possibility is also validated by the MACD histogram, which is above the neutral line. Meanwhile, the MACD signal line shows a bullish crossover at the neutral level, suggesting an active buying pressure in the market. Based on the H1 Celestia price prediction, a bullish breakout with a stable market above the 2.66 static level could validate the range breakout. In that case, a bullish trend continuation could increase the price towards the 3.50 psychological level. On the bearish side, 2.375 is the near-term high-volume level, which might work as a strong equilibrium point. Therefore, a valid break below this level with an H4 close below the 2.22 support level could be an alarming sign to bulls. In the Celestia TIA price today, a strong buying possibility needs proper validation from the near-term triangle resistance. Moreover, investors should closely monitor the market stability of this token from the fundamental analysis to find the long-term price projection.